In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting using Microsoft Teams quickly and efficiently. The simplicity of this process makes it accessible for everyone, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned Teams user. Let's dive right in. The first thing you're going to do is open your web browser and head over to teams.microsoft.com. Make sure to sign in with your Microsoft account if you haven't already. This step is straightforward but crucial, as accessing your calendar, meetings, and other features requires you to be signed into your account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of the Microsoft Teams interface. You'll notice several tabs here, with one labeled Calendar. Click on the Calendar tab. The Calendar view is where you can see all your scheduled meetings and plan upcoming ones, allowing you to manage your time effectively. It's your hub for scheduling, so getting familiar with it pays off. Now, let's move on to creating a new meeting, which is a breeze. On the top right of your calendar view, you'll see an option labeled New Meeting. Click on this to begin. This action will open up a form where you'll enter all the necessary details for your meeting. Start by giving your meeting a title. A clear and informative title helps participants instantly understand the meeting's purpose. Next, you'll need to add your participants by entering their email addresses. Be sure to double-check the spelling of each address to ensure everyone receives their invitation. After that, it's time to set the date and time for your meeting. The date and time fields are generally straightforward. Just make sure they align with your schedule and the availability of your participants. This is a key detail to confirm to avoid any scheduling conflicts. If you have any additional information for your attendees, you can include it in the description box. This could be an agenda, meeting goals, or any other relevant information. You also have the option to specify a meeting location, if applicable. This is particularly useful for hybrid meetings that involve both virtual and physical attendance. Once you've filled out all the important details, take a moment to review everything. It never hurts to double-check your information to make sure all participants know when and where to join. Once everything looks good, you can finalize your meeting by clicking either Save or Send. The Send option will immediately send out invitations to all the participants, while Save allows you to tweak details before sending. And there you have it. Creating a meeting in Microsoft Teams is an efficient process that, with practice, becomes second nature. By following these steps, you're now equipped to efficiently schedule your meetings, keeping your workflow smooth and your team on the same page. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!